beautiful, attractive and latest crochet styles, looks, and choose your pattern. Select a crochet jacket pattern and that suits your style and skill level. There are various options from lacy open work design to more solid and warm option. For the body, most crochet jacket patterns start with the body of the garment. You will crochet panels or rounds depending on the pattern. To create the back and front pieces, pay closes attention to stitches, pattern and changes, and shaping instructions. Some patterns have you work in one piece with others and require separate front and back panel. Then a beautiful and stylish way ideas. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. Beautiful ideas and beautiful styles, designs. So worth weight and lighter yarn in your chosen colors, crochet hook size and like measurement. Your needle and buttons or clothes are optional. Different styles, looks. So guys, please see this video till the end and mention me in the comment section for your feedback and response. What are some ideas related to crochet pattern and design styles, looks, ideas? So take care and bye bye. See you soon.